وقال عليه السلام: ما أضمر أحد شيئا إلا ظهر في فلاتات لسانه وصفحات وجهه.
Imam Ali said, a person who wants to hide something in their heart, it suddenly slips out of their tongue and is revealed on their face. In this wisdom, Imam Ali draws attention to a psychological issue, that when a person tries to hide something in their heart, it is sometimes revealed unintentionally through their words or facial expressions. The face is a reflection of one's inner emotions, and experts can detect a person's guilt or innocence by observing their behavior, speech, and facial expressions. The Quran also mentions this concept, saying, "Or do those in whose hearts is a disease think that Allah will not bring to light their hidden malice? And if we willed, we could show them to you, and you would know them by their mark, but you will know them by the tone of their speech." Surah Muhammad, 47:29-30. These verses highlight two ways to identify hypocrites. 1. Observing their facial expressions, which reveal their inner emotions. 2. Listening to their speech, which sometimes unintentionally reveals their true nature. The Quran also describes the believers, saying, "Their mark is on their faces, the trace of prostration." Surah Al-Fath, 48:29. This verse indicates that the believers' faces reflect their inner devotion and connection with Allah. In summary, a person's inner emotions can be revealed through their words and facial expressions, which serve as indicators of their true nature.